Hello everyone, welcome back to our SST class. Today we will continue with the concluding part of the chapter, The Realms of the Earth. In our previous video, we discussed about the first sphere or first realm, that is lithosphere, which is made up of land, rock and soil. Now we will continue with the second realm, that is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the domain of Earth where water is found. Our Earth is called the blue planet because 71% of our Earth is covered with water. Now you people will think, then why always we say that save water, save water, save water when we have such a large quantity of water. The reason is that 97.2% of water is found in ocean, which is salty and we cannot use it. Now the remaining part of fresh water is 2.8. From this also a large part of it is found in form of ice sheets and glaciers. The fresh water which we can use is only 0.03%. That's why despite of being a blue planet, we face a shortage of water on our Earth. The lakes, rivers, glaciers, oceans makes the water bodies which form the hydrosphere. The ocean water is continuously moving. The chief movements of the ocean water are waves, tides and ocean current. Now when we know that the major part, that is 97.2% of the hydrosphere is made of oceans, so we will study the oceans in the detailed. The five major oceans are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean. Mariana Trench is found in Pacific Ocean. A trench is an ocean deep where two tectonic plates meet and where the heavier plate sinks into the crust. And the trench is so deep that our largest mountain can be placed in it and still there will be space in that trench. Ocean is Atlantic Ocean, which is in S shape. The third ocean is Indian Ocean, which is triangular in shape and it's the only ocean which is named after a country. That's India. So proud to be an Indian. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest, shallowest ocean which doesn't have a trench. During winter, it freezes completely. The Antarctic Ocean, also known as Southern Ocean, is formed by the merging of the southern parts of the Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean. It's the fourth largest ocean. It remains frozen a major part of the year. Now, what is the importance of hydrosphere? Hydrosphere is necessary for the existence of life on Earth. Ocean plants produce 70% of the world's oxygen. It's a major source of rainwater. Oceans provide low-cost transport and promote trade. They are the ultimate site for deposition of sediments brought by rivers. Now, the next domain is atmosphere. The envelope of air surrounding the Earth is called the atmosphere. The atmosphere is a mixture of gases such as nitrogen, which is 78%, oxygen 21% and others in small quantities such as carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium and argon. It also has water vapor and dust particles in the lowest layer, so we find clouds, rain, snow, thunder and other weather phenomena here. Atmosphere contains life-supporting gases like oxygen and nitrogen, which are life-giving gases for animal and plant life. Oxygen helps in the process of burning. Water vapor in the troposphere makes weather phenomena possible. The atmosphere acts like a blanket. It keeps the Earth's atmosphere warm by trapping the incoming solar radiation and by not allowing the heat to return to space immediately. It protects us from the harmful solar radiation, especially ultraviolet rays because it has ozone in the stratosphere. The atmosphere is also a medium for sound waves to travel. Next, biosphere. The part of the earth in which all forms of life exists is called biosphere. It's a zone of contact between the three spheres, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Human beings form an important part of the biosphere. All the organisms that live on the earth form the biosphere. The biosphere is made up of distinct areas with its own climate, soil, plant, and animal communities, and these areas are called ecosystems. Their living components interact with the physical surroundings as also with each other. A mutual coexistence ensures a balance in nature. Extent of biosphere. Most birds fly from 650 meter to 1800 meter in the atmosphere. Aquatic animals do not survive below 150 meter in the hydrosphere because photosynthesis is not possible at greater depths. The tallest trees grow to about 100 meter. Their roots may go down to 10 to 15 meter. But now our earth is in great danger caused by the thoughtless human activities. Water is polluted with toxic chemicals, oil, and sewage. The soil is damaged by chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and by acid rain caused by air pollution. Excessive carbon dioxide, methane, and other greenhouse gases added to the atmosphere by burning fuels, wastes, and cutting forests have led to global warming. It's a serious concern because it could threaten human existence on the earth. Therefore, it is important to be more conservative and preserve the earth's resources for future generations. If all this is not checked well in the time, the realms of our earth would face great danger. Okay, children, now you have to go through the chapter, and if you face any difficulty, you are free to ask me. Okay, bye bye.